In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your to-do list using Canva so that it displays one line at a time. This method will help you keep focused on one task at a time, which can be a game changer for productivity. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to ensure you have your Canva project open. If you don't have an account already, you can easily sign up and start a new project. Canva offers a range of templates, but for this guide, we'll use a blank canvas to better illustrate each feature. Once your project is open, we'll set it up to efficiently showcase your to-do list. Now let's create a to-do list that appears one line at a time. This approach is useful because it reduces the visual clutter and helps you concentrate on the task at hand. Begin by inputting all the items you need to include in your to-do list. As an example, let's assume you have 4 items to complete. Instead of listing them all on a single page, we'll show one task per page. Here's how you do it. Start by duplicating your page for as many items as you have on your list. In our example, we have 4 tasks, so you will create 4 identical pages. Canva makes it easy to duplicate a page with just a click, allowing you to maintain consistent formatting across your project. Once you have your pages duplicated, you'll begin editing each page. On the first page, you'll keep only the first task visible. This means you'll need to delete all other tasks from that page until only the first item remains. This is key because it ensures that when you revisit your list, only the first task will be visible, reducing overwhelm and helping you focus. Then move on to the second page. Here you'll include the first and second tasks, allowing you to build up your to-do list progressively. Repeat this process for each subsequent page, including an additional task each time. By the time you reach the last page, you will have the complete list displayed, and just like that, we're all done. You've successfully created a focused to-do list using Canva that displays one task at a time. This method not only keeps your workflow organized, but helps maintain productivity by keeping distractions to a minimum. Remember, this isn't just about organizing tasks. It's a method that can transform the way you approach daily productivity. Feel free to apply this technique to various lists you might deal with, such as packing lists or shopping lists, offering you a simple yet compelling way to tackle each item with concerted focus. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.